Moto has announced that it will launch the Moto One Power on September 24 in India. Unveiled at the IFA 2018, the Moto One Power is the company's latest Android One smartphone that also packs a notch display. Alongside it, the company also introduced the Moto One, which is trimmed down version. The Moto One Power is also one of the first devices that will receive the Android 9 Pie update later this year. Google's Android One program will make sure that the device receives timely firmware and security updates while making it eligible for the Android 9 Pie update as and when it starts rolling out. While the company dodged announcing the pricing for the Moto One Power, it is expected to cost under Rs 20,000 in India. With the mid-range specifications such as Snapdragon 636, the Moto One Power will compete with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. The Moto One Power comes running Android 8.1 Oreo under the Android One program. However, the Android 9 Pie update is expected to arrive sometime this year. The smartphone has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch on the top. The Snapdragon 636 processor is paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of inbuilt storage, which can be expanded further. The Moto One Power has a dual camera setup comprising a 16-megapixel sensor and a 5-megapixel sensor. For selfies, it offers a 12-megapixel camera on the front. The Moto One Power gets its juice from a massive 5000 mAh battery that also supports turbocharging. So that's all we know about the Moto One Power right now. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like. See you guys in the next video. Bye.